Hello everybody, my name is Quest. So today we're going to be talking about a very astronomic topic, but I believe that all of you guys may have already known about this for 2 years ago. But today we're going to be talking a little bit astronomy. So today we're going to be talking about the brightest object in the universe. So when you think about a bright object, what do you think about? You usually would think about light, you usually would think about the sun, stars, things like that, right? But what if I say the brightest object in the universe is 500 trillion times brighter than the sun? That's unbelievable, right? Because imagine a sun. A lot of scientists have told us that looking directly at the sun could harm our eyes because of the harsh light of it. But now, in the universe, there is an object that is 500 trillion, yeah, you're not mistaken, 500 trillion times brighter than the sun. What is it? Well, it is a quasar, and it's named J0529. What is that thingy? And then 4351. And so I'll call it J05294351. And so it is a quasar. So what is a quasar? A quasar is basically a thing that is intensely bright center of a young galaxy. And the quasar here itself is a supermassive black hole actively consuming matter. If you guys learn about astronomy, you guys would know what a black hole is. And here, this quasar is a supermassive, super massive black hole actively consuming matter, and it shines with the intensity of 500 trillion suns, and currently holding the record as the fastest growing black hole ever observed, and it devours mass equivalent to our sun daily. So a black hole is something that devour mass, and so one day it could devour one sun. That's just an equivalent amount, okay? That doesn't mean it actually devour the sun. But this luminous core of a distant galaxy is so bright that it was previously misidentified as a star for decades. And so the fact that it is so far from the Earth, but its light travels over 12 billion years to reach Earth. That is how far it is, and yet how so bright it is, because from our Earth here we could still see it shining as a star. And so it consumes more than one sun's mass every day, and it's the fastest growing thing to be known of. And so it's so bright that we see it as it was in the early universe. And so what's so crazy about this is that it's a supermassive black hole at their course, and it challenged existing theories about the early universe formation. And the discovery underscores the mystery of how such massive black holes formed so early in cosmic history, and scientists speculate that these findings may provide insights about the fundamental nature of black hole formation shortly after Big Bang, which you guys know is the universal boom of the universe. And so today we've talked slightly a little bit about the brightest object in the universe, and we've also discovered about what it is. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.